It was yesterday that I was reliably informed that the Lagos State Task Force has come to pledge their sticker of demolition to some of our properties in Alaba, to some of our shops in Alaba. And I now told my task force to snap those things picture and forward it to me because it was Saturday. The first person I could call across to was the chairman of the local government. I called him about 3 times and forwarded that pictures to him. He replied me through text and said that he is in a meeting, that he will get back to me. I called the DPO of Ojo. Okay, look at what is happening. These people has come again for the second time. Despite all this hardship, despite that people are dying of hunger, despite that those that with their properties and their shops have been demolished barely a year and now, he's shopless, he's businessless, he's not doing anything. The DPO told me that he's not aware. He's not aware of anything. I called the director of DSS in Ojo. I told him, okay, look at what is happening. I also forwarded the pictures to him. He affirmed to me that he doesn't know what is happening. I didn't stop there. I went on to call the area command first time. Who within this area is under his control. He also told me that he's not aware. That nobody informed him and they have not even reported in his office that they are coming to Alaba. So later the area commander called me and said that yes, they have some places in Alaba where they are going, not in Alaba Electronics. I said okay. I called the GM of LASCA, Engineer Oki, who is also saddled with the responsibility of demolition. He told me that he's not aware, that if there is anything that will be like demolition, that his office should be aware, that he should be the one that will mobilize people to go for that job. I called the CP of police of Lagos State and told him, okay, look at what is happening, and I forwarded the pictures to him. He told me he is not aware, that he will get back to me. Let him do inquiries. I want to tell you that the whole of life yesterday night I was sleepless. I never slept. I was making contact and connection. All of a sudden this early morning, the security department now called me and said that there's Caterpillar is around, that the police is around, that the demolition team is around. I have to drive. I called the DSS director in Ojo. He was here. You don't know him. He's here while all these things are happening. Said, Oga, come and witness what is happening. So when I got to this place, I walked to the police. I said, Oga, the information reaching me is that all the security formations within this Lagos are not aware of your action. He now said I should call the task force chairman. I don't have the number of the task force chairman because the one the director gave to me, the man said that he has been transferred from Lagos, that he is now in Abuja. He is no more in Lagos. I now put a call across all the prominent Igbo people that were members of this committee that was created by the Lagos State government and the governor of Southeast with the deputy speaker of the House of Representatives. They said is uncalled for. That the idea is not captured in the report that has been concluded. You all will bear me witness. Last 3 days, there was a publication on Nation newspaper and there was a publication on the Sun. We went into media and we were there present when the governor of Lagos State delivered his opening speech. After delivering his welcome address, they said that he had an appointment and he has to go to Abuja. So when Governor Hope delivered his lecture finished, it was late. We made contact and they said that the governor had left to Abuja. The governor of Imo State, who happens to be the Southeast Governors Forum chairman, and also the chairman of all the APC governors in Nigeria, now told us that he is coming back to make that presentation officially. All of us left. Little do we know that these people have something in mind. So this morning, when I got the information that they have come for that demolition, I called the Ojo local government chairman. The Jologo government chairman now told me that they are not supposed to come. That even the fancy and furniture building has been agreed on that they should pay that building. Sense is for the association. And I say, okay, they are demolishing it. I think that's their first point of contact. They started that demolition there. He said, okay, he will get back to me. On getting to this place, I saw them, their demolition already. I saw the team leader. I was trying to talk to him. He said I should talk to the chairman of task force. I now put all across to the CP. I said, speak with your CP. He looked at me. But I said, your CP is online.
I want to ask Lagos State Governor and Tinubu, because since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, demolition of Igbo shops and their house start immediately. So I want to ask Lagos State Governor and Tinubu, what Igbos do you people in Lagos? Why honor the wicked Igbos like this? Why honor the wicked Igbos like this? Imagine now these shops now, then demolish in Alaba second time again. Do you know that some of Igbos, when they saw this caterpillar, they give them quick notice one day. The next day, they came and demolishing all these shops. Some of Igbos, we are calling some government office and calling them, telling them, look at what we are passing through in this place. And all these people they are calling, they are Yorubas. Calling them, telling them, look at what they are passing through. They pretend, they say, we are not aware, we are not aware. All they call, they talk, say, we are not aware. Now, who sent them to come to demolish all these shops? And the security was there, police and army was there. They demolished all those things. Who sent them to go to press? They use Igbos like a slave in Lagos.